12 British sweets everyone should try. Britain has one of the richest confectionery traditions in the world, blending historic recipes, iconic chocolate brands, nostalgic boiled sweets, and comforting puddings. From supermarket favourites to old-fashioned sweet shop classics, traditional British sweets remain a huge part of UK food culture. Whether you're visiting the United Kingdom, building a British food bucket list, or simply curious about famous British candy, this guide to 12 British sweets everyone should try explores the most iconic treats that generations of Brits have grown up loving. 12. Turkish Delight. Although Turkish Delight originally comes from the Ottoman Empire, it became firmly established in British sweet shops during the 19th and early 20th centuries. Today, it remains a staple in UK confectionery aisles. The traditional version consists of soft, jelly-like cubes flavoured with rosewater, lemon, or orange, lightly dusted with icing sugar. In Britain, chocolate-covered Turkish Delight bars became especially popular during the 20th century. The combination of smooth milk chocolate and floral jelly filling gives it a distinctive flavour that stands apart from other classic British sweets. It's widely available in UK supermarkets and remains a nostalgic choice for those who enjoy traditional sweet shop favourites. 11. Wine gums. Wine gums are one of the most recognisable British sweets ever created. Invented in 1909 by Charles Gordon Maynard in England, they were originally marketed toward adults, despite containing no alcohol. Each gum is shaped like a wine bottle and stamped with names such as port, sherry, and champagne. Known for their firm texture and bold fruit flavours, wine gums are chewier than most modern gummies. That satisfying bite is part of their appeal. Still sold widely under the Maynard's brand, they remain one of the most popular sweets in the UK and a staple of cinema snacks and pick-and-mix counters. 10. Traditional British fudge. Fudge holds a special place among traditional British sweets. While texture varies depending on recipe, classic UK fudge is often slightly crumbly and melts quickly in the mouth. Seaside towns across England, Wales, and Scotland helped popularise fudge during the 20th century, particularly in dairy-rich regions such as Cornwall, where clotted cream fudge became famous. Common flavours include vanilla, chocolate, rum and raisin, and salted caramel. Many visitors to the UK associate fudge with coastal holidays and traditional sweet shops displaying large slabs behind glass counters. 9. Sherbet Lemons. Sherbet lemons are a classic British boiled sweet with a fizzy twist. The outer shell is hard and lemon-flavoured, while the centre contains tangy sherbet powder that fizzes once the shell breaks. These sweets were especially popular in mid-20th century Britain and remain strongly associated with nostalgic corner shops and traditional sweet jars. Although modern gummies dominate many supermarket shelves today, Sherbet Lemons continue to represent old-school British confectionery at its best. 8. Licorice All Sorts. Licorice All Sorts were first created in 1899 by Edward Wright and Company in England. This colourful assortment combines licorice with coconut, fondant, sugar paste, and jelly pieces in a variety of shapes and textures. Licorice has a long history in British confectionery, particularly in Yorkshire, and All Sorts became one of the most famous examples. Each handful delivers a mix of bold licorice flavour and sweeter, milder pieces, making them a distinctive addition to any list of traditional UK sweets. 7. Jelly Babies. Jelly Babies have been part of British confectionery culture since the early 1900s. They were relaunched under the name Jelly Babies in 1953 by Bassett's and quickly became one of the most recognisable sweets in the UK. These soft, sugar-dusted, fruit-flavoured sweets are known for their playful shape and gentle chew. Available in supermarkets, cinemas and sweet shops, they remain a popular British candy choice across generations. For anyone exploring classic British sweets, jelly babies are a must-try. 6. Flake. The Flake chocolate bar produced by Cadbury was introduced in 1920 and remains one of the most famous British chocolate bars. Its crumbly, delicate texture is created by folding thin layers of chocolate into a light, airy structure. Flake is closely associated with British seaside culture. Inserting a flake into soft-serve ice cream, often called a 99, is a long-standing summer tradition across the UK. Among famous British chocolate products, Flake stands out for its unique texture and nostalgic appeal. 5. After 8. After 8 mints were introduced in 1962 by Rowntree and are now produced by Nestlé. These thin squares of dark chocolate filled with peppermint fondant are traditionally served after dinner. Each piece is individually wrapped and presented in a slim green box, reinforcing their elegant reputation. The refreshing mint centre balanced with dark chocolate makes them one of the most distinctive boxed sweets in Britain. They remain widely available in UK supermarkets and are especially popular during festive seasons. 4. Traditional British toffee. Toffee has been part of British confectionery history since the 19th century, particularly in northern England. It is made by caramelising sugar and butter to produce a rich, amber-coloured sweet. British toffee often refers to hard butter toffee, though softer and chocolate-coated varieties are also common. Macintoshes played a major role in popularising toffee nationwide. With its buttery, caramelised flavour, toffee remains a cornerstone of traditional British sweets and continues to be widely enjoyed across the UK. 3. Victoria Sponge Cake. Victoria Sponge Cake is one of the most iconic classic British desserts. Named after Queen Victoria, who enjoyed sponge cake with afternoon tea, it features 2 layers of light sponge filled with jam and cream or buttercream. While technically a cake rather than a packaged sweet, it is central to British dessert culture and afternoon tea tradition. You'll find Victoria Sponge in cafes, bakeries and home kitchens throughout the UK, making it an essential inclusion in 12 British sweets everyone should try. 2. Sticky Toffee Pudding. Sticky toffee pudding is a beloved British dessert made from moist sponge cake containing finely chopped dates, topped with warm toffee sauce. It became widely popular in the mid to late 20th century and is now a staple on pub menus across the United Kingdom. Typically served with custard, cream or vanilla ice cream, it represents comfort food at its finest. As one of the most famous British desserts, sticky toffee pudding continues to be recommended to visitors exploring traditional UK food. 1. Cadbury Dairy Milk. At number 1 sits Cadbury Dairy Milk, introduced in 1905 and widely regarded as one of the most iconic British chocolate bars. Its higher milk content distinguished it from many early chocolates and helped establish its smooth, creamy texture. Cadbury remains strongly associated with British chocolate manufacturing, and dairy milk continues to dominate supermarket shelves. Popular variations include fruit and nut, whole nut, and caramel editions. For many people in the UK, dairy milk represents everyday indulgence and childhood nostalgia. It perfectly crowns this guide to 12 British sweets everyone should try, capturing the essence of classic British confectionery. British sweets combine heritage, innovation, and comfort in every bite. From boiled sweets and chewy gummies to famous British chocolate bars and traditional puddings, the UK offers an incredible variety of treats. Whether you're building a British food list or simply satisfying your sweet tooth, these classics remain some of the most popular sweets in the UK, and each one deserves a taste. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.